Hi, I am Whitney Konrinsky, and this is my walkthrough of my class website. So this is the home page when you first come to my website. There's a little About Me section. There's a quote, one of my favorite quotes about education, and then it lists my qualifications here. I created this website originally for the same type of portfolio that we're doing now, but in undergrad. So I still have all of my undergraduate work on this site as well. I have a professional library, so books that I've heard of or I've read that might be beneficial to educators. I have a small work gallery. And then here's my master's portfolio. So I have two pages listed under this, the Teaching with Technology portfolio from a previous class, and then this class's blog. So when you click on the blog, the final project is the first page to pop up. For my final project, I expanded on the augmented reality module that we completed. In that module, I made an resource for guided reading centers where the student could scan the book and some activities would pop up, some extra videos, an assignment, links to some different websites connected to the text, and that way they have all that information during centers. All they have to do is scan it. There I had myself reading the story so they can have me read along with them and they could just follow along in the book, and they had all the other resources to go along with it right there. The site that I used for that, Layar, lets you produce one project before you have to pay for it. Obviously, I didn't want to have to pay for it, so I found another site called Zapworks that gives you a 30-day free trial, and then you can have a subscription after that. And you get these little Zap codes. So in the classroom, I would print these off and tape them to the book somehow, where it's always on that book. But when you scan it, it comes up with the resources. So if we were to pause this show and I were to use the Zapper app, you would be able to see the different resources that go along with it. As you scroll down, here is my link to my Google Earth trip, my paper for virtual reality, and some links, and the podcast that we made. Augmented reality, here's my original augmented reality assignment. It was a story called Hans My Hedgehog. Screencasting and micro lectures. For that assignment, I made some micro lectures over various reading skills. Making a digital game, you could click here and play the game. Digital animation project, I utilized Powtoons for that assignment. Digital storytelling, there's my video there, and then my introduction. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my classroom website.